Hi guys, so today I'll be explaining how to simplify expressions by substitution. So what does it mean to substitute? Substitution is the action of replacing someone or something with another person or a thing. So in mathematics, it is the replacement of a mathematical entity by a figure or by a number. So if we have, let's say we have x minus 2, and we know that x equals to 4. What would be the value of x minus 2? What we simply do is to substitute for x and replace x with 4. That's the meaning of substitution. So we replace this x with 4. We now have 4 minus 2, which equals to 2. So supposing we have a question which says if n equals to 4, evaluate n squared plus n y. We know now that n equals to 4, so we are going to substitute for n. We're going to replace n with 4. So we now have 4 squared plus this another n. Anywhere you have n, you replace with 4. That's the meaning of substitution. We have 4y. So we have 4 squared is 16 plus 4y. But this is how far we can go because we do not know the value of y. But now if we now know that if y equals to 3, what's not the value of this expression? Now we have 16 plus 4y, and we know now that our y equals to 3. So by substitution, we have 16 plus 4 into bracket 3. We are replacing y with 3. So we have 16 plus 12, which equals to 28. I will take a y question to explain that further. Let's simplify this y. I said it's a y question. This y past question. So now, all we need to do is to substitute for all these the variables x equals to minus 7, y equals to 3, anywhere we given x or y. So I'll take the first question. I have x is minus 7, so we have minus 7. I like to put my stuffs in small bracket, plus y is 3, so we have 3 all over x is minus 7. I have another minus 7, then minus y, which equals to 3, all squared. We have to be very careful when we are expanding our bracket. This means all squared, not multiplied by 2. So now we have minus 7 means minus 7 plus 3 over, you see I have a big bracket, over minus 7 minus 3, all squared. So here I have minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 over minus 10, all squared. So we can rewrite this as minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, because squared means use the term in two places, twice. Minus 10 multiplied by minus 10. And this equals to 16 all over 100. We have to reduce our answer to the simplest form possible. So let's look for a common factor to the two of them. 4 can go here in 4 places, and 4 in 100 is 25. So our final answer is 4 all over 25. I'll do the second one, pick another one and solve. Let me solve the b part of it. So we have 2x squared. Now this square only applies to x. That's the mistake some students make. It only applies to x, not to y, and this square here only applies to y, not to x. So let's substitute for our figures. We have 2, x is minus 7, so we are squaring it, and y is 3, plus y is 3, so we have 3 squared, and x is minus 7. So 2, here we'll have 2 multiplied by minus 7 squared is minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 will be 49. Another 3 plus 3 squared is 9. 3 multiplied by 3, then we have minus 7. Taking my time to do it step by step. Anytime we have bracket put side by side in algebra, it means you multiply all through. So if you multiply this, 2 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 3 will give you 294. Now we have 9 multiplied by minus 7, that's minus 63. Plus multiplied by minus is still minus, so we have minus 63. And our final answer will be 294 minus 63, that's 231. And that's how to simplify expressions by substitution. I would like you to try this and drop your answer in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. I want to believe this video has helped you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Don't keep this to yourself. Like and share with your friends. And feel free to ask any of your questions pertaining to these topics on any of my social media platforms. I'll catch you guys later.